Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload short video on YouTube in PC. Let's get started. First, open YouTube in your browser and go to YouTube Studio, your dashboard. In the top right corner, click on the Create button, the camera icon with a plus sign. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Video. Now click Select Files and choose your short video from your computer. Important, your video must be under 60 seconds, vertical format 9:16 ratio recommended. Once selected, the video will begin uploading. Next, add your title. You can also add a description if you'd like. If needed, choose a playlist for your video. When uploading shorts from PC, you typically cannot manually upload a custom thumbnail. YouTube automatically selects a frame from your video. Scroll down and enter relevant tags to help with search visibility. Click Next. On the following screens, keep clicking Next until you reach the Visibility section. Here, choose Public, everyone can see it, Unlisted, only people with the link can see it, or Private, only you can see it. Finally, click Publish or Save if private. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a YouTube short using your PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.